Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of 5th grade math. My name is Mr. Manella and joining me as always is my assistant and creative muse, Stu. Say hi to everyone, Stu.
Hola, amigos.
Oh, you've been taking Spanish lessons?
Un poquitito. That means a very little.
Oh, well, very nice. Estoy muy orgulloso de ti. That means I'm proud of you.
Oh, gracias.
De nada. In our last lesson, we talked about getting the value of a digit when a number is in standard form. That means the regular way that we write numbers using digits. Today, we're going to use what we learned to help us with something called expanded form. To expand means to make larger or to stretch out. Okay? Today, we're going to be stretching numbers out by taking them apart. But don't worry, we're going to put them back together too.
Like Legos?
Kind of. Expanded form is when you take a number in standard form and you stretch it out and show it as an addition problem for every digit in the number. And if what I said just sounded like a foreign language, no te preocupes, that means don't worry, because I'm going to show you what I mean. Here we go. In the last lesson, we used 745. Let's stick with it. You ready?
I'm so ready.
Here you see the standard form. Remember, that's the regular way we write numbers. The expanded form looks like this. 700 plus 40 plus 5. See what I did there? I wrote every digit as its value to show the different parts of the number. 745 has 7 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. And now we put it back together. 700 plus 40 plus 5 is 745.
Okay. So, you stretch it out like slime, and then moosh it back together.
Kind of. Do you like to play with slime?
I do. It gets stuck in my fur, though. I think there's some in there right now.
Have you tried bathing? Bathing means to clean yourself. With soap and water?
Oh, you mean like when I get in my kiddie pool?
No, definitely not like that. That is not the same thing as taking a bath.
Then why do I have a rubber ducky in there?
That was an actual duck. She thought it was a pond because the water is green.
This is a lot to process.
Well, we'll help you through it. This time we will use 84,573. You can see the standard form right there. But how do we get the expanded form?
Oh, that number is much bigger, Mr. Manella. I feel nervous.
It is much bigger, but you don't need to be nervous. I am confident you can handle it. So, what would our first step be? Well, we have 5 digits, so we know our expanded form is going to have 5 numbers in it. Our addition sentence or expression will look like this. How do we find that first number?
Well, in the last number, we put the 700 first. So maybe we look at the 8.
That's right. We look at the first digit, which is 8. What place is it in?
Well, that's the thousands comma, and one place over from thousands is 10,000s.
Bingo! So 8 times 10,000 is? If you know what 8 times 10 is, you know this.
I do. 8 times 10 is 80. So if I add the 3 remaining zeros in 10,000, I get 80,000.
Correct again, 80,000. There's our first number. Next, we have a 4 in the thousands place. So 4 times 1,000 is our next number. What does that equal?
4,000.
Yep. The 5 is the next digit, and it's in the hundreds place. So that's 5 times 100, which is?
500.
Let's fill it in. Our penultimate means second to last, digit is the 7 in the tens place. 7 times 10 gives us 70, so let's fill that in too. And finally, we have the 3, which is in the ones place. We all know that 3 times 1 is 3, so let's go ahead and fill that in to finish the job. And there you have your expanded form for 84,573. When a problem asks you for the expanded form, you don't actually need to put the number back together again. And voila, we're done.
Whoa. I think you expanded my mind.
That's the goal. So, to recap, to get the expanded form of a number, you pull it apart by using what you know about place value and the value of each digit to form an addition sentence, also known as an expression. All right, you need a bath.
No!
Yes, it's time. It's been far too long.
Can the duck come?
I'll have to ask her. I don't know if she's still in your pool.
I don't want to.